This is a 1968 RLU-1 Breezy. Original design was by Carl Unger, of which the original sits in the museum over here. This is the number 2 plans-built copy. It went originally in 1968 to EAA in Rockford, where it took an award with its builder Elmer Knutson. And then this year, 2023, it has returned 55 years later, shortly after it's been restored by myself. It felt wonderful to bring it back. It just, right after its restoration now, it just felt like it was the right thing to do. When I redid this, it was kind of needing a little help to be freshened up. I chose the blue, the yellow, and the white because of the old school EAA logo, as well as the Young Eagles colors. 2 items that are very near and dear to my heart. I would compare it similar wind conditions as to riding on the back of a motorcycle. It's very calm and relaxing feeling. Everyone comes off with a smile and wanting to do it again. There's a great deal of people who walk up and check it out. Many of them have no idea what they're looking at initially until they start hearing a little bit of the heritage of it. It's been brought back to convention for the purpose of sharing it. It's not to be just kept in the hangar, and it's got to be shared.